Welcome back to our quiz time, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 81. The first question, what is success in Chinese? We have A. 成功 B. 毕业 C. 高中 D. 大学 You can try to guess first. 成功 is success, 毕业 is to graduate, 高中 is high school, 大学 is university. And success in Chinese is A. 成功成功 The next question. What is dentist in Chinese? We have A. 初中 B. 小学 C. 牙医 D. 棋子 Is it A, B, C, or D? 初中 is junior high school, 小学 is primary school, 牙医 is dentist, 棋子 is flag, and dentist in Chinese is C, 牙医 The next one. What is university in Chinese? We have A. 成功 B. 大学 C. 小学 D. 初中 I'll give you time to think first. Chenggung is success, 大学 is university, 小学 is primary school, 初中 is junior high school, and university in Chinese is B, 大学 Another question here. What is high school in Chinese? We have A. 毕业 B. 棋子 C. 牙医 D. 高中 I will explain it later. 毕业 is to graduate. 棋子 is flag. 牙医 is dentist. 高中 is high school. So high school in Chinese is D. 高中 Let's move on to the next question. What is primary school in Chinese? A. 成功 B. 高中 C. 毕业 D. 小学 Which one do you think is the right answer? Chenggung is success, 高中 is high school, 毕业 is to graduate, 小学 is primary school. And the right answer for this question is D. 小学 Moving on to the next one. What is flag in Chinese? A. 棋子 B. 初中 C. 牙医 D. 大学 Which one do you think is the correct answer? 棋子 is flag, 初中 is junior high school, Yayi is dentist. 大学 is university. And the correct answer for this question is A. 旗子. Moving on to another question here. What is to graduate in Chinese? A. 大学 B. 毕业 C. 旗子 D. 成功. Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 大学 is university, 毕业 is to graduate, 旗子 is flag, 成功 is success. And B is the right answer for this question. 毕业. And the last question here. What is junior high school in Chinese? A. 高中 B. 雅一 C. 初中 D. 小学. Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 高中 is high school, 雅一 is dentist, 初中 is junior high school, 小学 is primary school. And C is the correct answer for this question. 初中. And that's all for today's quiz. I will see you guys again on our next lesson then.